This morning they had a problem where the vang got let up a long way, and when it came back down it was bending. So right now we're not sure what's going on with the cylinder, but it's either got a lot of air in it or one of the seals are damaged or something like that. But
so before we put the rope on, we should
just try and bleed it first.
What? Is that what we're going to try and do?
I think so, yeah.
We're going to try and bleed it? Bleed it when you open it a little bit, pump it on,
pump it on and just make sure that the oil that's coming in, because when they cracked it there's really fizzy oil coming out.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, you can hear it. Fucking dirty oil.
I know.
Igual tendremos que rellenarlo un poco.
So there's a lot of air just in the cylinder that'll mess it up. But the question is how the air got in there in the first place.
Somebody grab it from me. Got it?
I've never done a Volvo where you haven't used the rope vang.
Parked up. 4 knots of breeze. And a big cloud hanging just to weather us over here. So probably in about 10-15 minutes, 25-30 knots of breeze.
We use another sheet for now, or do you use another sheet for now, or do you specifically want a drip sheet? Dave, you know?
Huh?
What?
Yeah, maybe.